Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in to another video. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Please go ahead and check out the channel. If you love what you see on there, then smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing family, yo. It is absolutely free. Alright, yo, let's get right into today's video. Are you looking for a natural fix for dry and brittle hair, or are you looking for a hair mask made of natural ingredients that will moisturize, restore damaged hair, strengthen the hair for optimal growth, and helps with maintaining a healthy hair and scalp? Then keep watching to see how you can make this hair mask that is going to moisturize, restore damaged hair, strengthen the hair, and give you all of those good things that your hair desire. All right, family, I started off by measuring 4 tablespoons of the flaxseed and 1 cup of water. I went ahead and sat this on the stove top for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, family, if you are going to be using the flaxseed gel, like as a gel for your hair, or you just want to do a wash and go and you want to use the flaxseed gel, I want to say that when you are preparing it, make sure you use more water and less cooking time. If you cook the flax seeds for a longer period, it's going to get thick, and once it gets thick, you are going to have flicking issues. All right, you're going to see a lot of flicks in your hair from the gel. So I just wanted to put that out there just to let you know that if you're going to use the flaxseed gel for a wash and go, or you just want to put some gel in your hair to define your curls, then use more water and less cooking time. All right, y'all, moving on to the next ingredient. Here I'm using 2.5 tablespoons of rice flour, a cup of water, and I'm going to cook this for 3 to 5 minutes. You don't want to leave this unattended. If you do, you are going to see a lot of lumps in the rice, so make sure you are stirring while it cooks. After cooking this, I'm going to be blending the rice with one more natural ingredient that is considered to be the super ingredient for hair care. Okay, so keep watching, family. Alright, family, here is this natural ingredient that is often considered to be a super ingredient in hair care. I'm going to be using 1 avocado here. I'm going to add the avocado to the blender and add 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil moisturizes dry and irritated scalp. It nourishes the hair, it strengthens the hair strands, and protects against breakage. It has antimicrobial properties that can fight against bacteria and fungal. As I said, family, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of the castor oil, and then we're going to move on to blending. Alright guys, if you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this video to a loved one, a family member, a friend, a co-worker, or anyone you think that might benefit from watching this video. I also like to see you guys commenting, okay? It really helps this channel a lot. If you want to see me flourish on here, then please like, comment, and share. It really helps the channel grow. All right, family, thank you so much for your love and your support. I do not have a shout out today. However, I'm going to be giving a big shout out to all my amazing YT family members on here. I love you guys so much. Happy Valentine's Day. I really hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. Spread the love and be loved. All right, keep watching, family. All right, family, here is the hair mask. We are almost done with this hair mask. We have 2 more ingredients to add to this hair mask. Now, let's add in the flaxseed gel. As you can see, the flaxseed gel has completely cooled down. Look at that, y'all. I love the flaxseed gel. As I said earlier, if you're going to be using the flaxseed gel for your wash and go, or you want to define your curls, just make sure you are using more water and less cooking time. All right, that is going to save your hair from flaking, or that is going to save the flaxseed gel from flaking. Yeah, that was a reverse. That is going to save your flaxseed gel from flaking if you use more water and less cooking time. And don't forget to add the oil to your hair. All right, family, so now I'm going in with my hair growth oil. I made this hair growth oil about a couple of weeks ago. you know, it's almost done. I need to make more. I love DIY, y'all. Anything DIY for my natural hair, I'll do. Anything DIY for my personal space, I'll do it if I can do it. I'm just a DIY kind of girl. All right. So after adding the oil, look at that, y'all. Look at that. It is so smooth, family. And the texture is amazing. This hair mask is really, really great for your hair. If you are going to be using this hair mask, please make sure you are applying this hair mask to a clean scalp and hair. All right, now it's application time. I've already washed my daughter's hair. It's time to apply this amazing hair mask to her hair. The flaxseed in this hair mask is known to make the hair stronger for better hair growth. It helps you manage your hair overall. It is packed with protein. It contains omega-3 fatty acids. It is also a great source of vitamins E and B. The flaxseed prevents split ends. It reduces hair thinning. It strengthens the hair from the root. It also provides nourishment to the hair and helps the hair grow faster and longer. Then you have the rice flour in this hair mask. The rice flour is packed with protein as well. It is going to help strengthen the hair. Rice repairs damaged hair due to the high amino acids that is present within the rice, which can nourish the scalp and the hair follicles. Rice improves the elasticity of the hair, which helps in less breakage and hair loss. Lastly, the avocado in this hair mask is great for the hair. Avocado contains anti-inflammatory properties. It is great for moisturizing the hair. It nourishes the hair, protects the hair against damage, and promotes a healthy hair and scalp. Avocado also smooths the hair and boosts shine. After the application process, I used the heat cap for 30 minutes before washing this out. You don't have to use shampoo to wash this out. You can just use water to wash the hair mask out of the hair. After washing the hair mask out of the hair, I used the growth oil and a hair moisturizer. I also put her hair into a protective style. It is cold over here, y'all. You don't want to leave your hair open when it's cold, okay? That is not the best choice, all right? Remember, family, if you are looking for a natural fix for dry and brittle hair, you can use this hair mask. If you want a protein hair mask but don't want to use eggs, you can use this hair mask. This hair mask has the rice flour and the flax seeds. Both are packed with proteins, all right? If you want to moisturize your hair, restore damaged hair, strengthen the hair for optimal growth, or if you want to maintain a healthy hair and scalp, you can use this hair mask whenever you are washing your hair or on your wash days. If it's once a week, that is absolutely fine to use this hair mask once a week. And the hair mask can be used on all hair types. All right, family, we are almost at the end of today's video. If this is your first time stopping by, please do me a favor by smashing that subscribe button before exiting this channel. If you love all things DIY for your natural hair, I am pretty sure you are going to love this channel. To our amazing family members, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. We love reading you guys' comment. All right, y'all, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all for stopping by, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Love you guys. Bye.